Hi everyone, it's Corinne and I'm really excited about this video because this is something I've been wanting to talk about and share with you for a long time. And I might even redo this video because it's where I am in my life, where I am in my trading. I've learned a lot. I've been investing and trading for this end of this year will be a total of 6 years or so. Wow. And I remember for the first, I believe 2, 3 years, I got into an investing app, then I got out, got a little scared, and then within the years after that I was more serious. And so the topic today is there are 3 things, man, I wish I knew before I started trading. As we know, trading is different from investing. So today I'll be talking about trading. I'll do another one in regards to investing, which will be very different. So with trading, 3 things I wish I knew. The first one would be, wow, I wish I would have known more about having a strategy. And I've talked a lot on my channel about having a strategy. This is so funny. So maybe before you selected this video, maybe there was an ad or a commercial that talked about, hey, I have this trading strategy that works and you can win so much money with my trading strategy. So you'll see a lot of ads like that out there. And the thing is, no strategy is really perfect. I think in my opinion, my humble opinion, the perfect strategy is to not invest in the market. And that in that sense would be you wouldn't be winning any money, but you also wouldn't be losing any money. You have 100% guarantee that nothing would be happening if you did not have your cash in the market. So how about this? Nothing is perfect. There may be some that are way better than others. Those are definitely out there. There are strategies that are really good. However, I did not know a long time ago. I wish I knew that strategies actually have to mimic your lifestyle a little bit. So in my lifestyle, again, if those that don't know, I'm a stay-at-home mom, I'm an entrepreneur, and I'm a trader. Wow, that's a lot. And some days it is overwhelming, but I love what I do and I'm very good at what I do. So I've had to realize that I am very good at swing trading. I am good at day trading, but when I don't have my attention there, I don't day trade. I do day trades often, but I have to figure out that my strategy is and your strategy should be customized, solely customized to you in whatever you do. I know a lot of traders that work a job and they trade during lunch break and they make some money during lunch break. And even they trade before they go into work, depending on when they go into work. So there's a strategy for you. The only thing is that you kind of have to figure it out. You have to figure out what works for you. So will that require maybe losing some money? Yeah. Will that require also winning some money? Earning some money? Yeah, you'll earn some money maybe. So that requires some experience. So of course that goes into how much money you need to invest. I can go into that into another video. But as far as what I wish I would have known, um, definitely learning about strategies. Wow, I did not know they were going to be that customized. I thought really going into this, I thought that you had a strategy and everyone had did the similar strategy and everyone made money. Well, it's not the case. So again, just sharing my experience from years ago. So one, strategy. Second thing I wish I would have known, wow, I wish I would have known more about social media. Social media, this is on a YouTube channel. So wow, social media can enhance your trading and social media can destroy your trading. And I've had the best of both worlds. So starting with the worst, I remember years ago, I started off trading. Maybe you have too. If you haven't, no big deal. Just comment below, love to know your experience. But when I started trading, I just got my hands onto anything and everything that I could. And, no one taught me. I had to, figure it out. And a lot of traders, a lot of investors, it mostly is a figure out by your own on your own type of game. And it doesn't have to be like that, which is why I love what I do. And of course, I have a business that pertains to investing, which my clients are very successful. And if you're interested in that, message below. That's a plug. So, I, gosh, I remember starting off by getting on Facebook groups. There are tons of investing groups. Comes to find out, most of those are just people with that work with binary options. You can, subscribe to my business and win tons of money. I don't personally, in my opinion, I don't know much about those. Do they look scammy? Yes, they do. And that's just in my opinion. I've been doing this for a while and I've seen a lot of people message me and I've actually looked into some and they were very scammy and very awful. So that's my experience. So you could find almost too much information from other people. there are people that you can probably tell that know too much. And there was a time when I almost knew too much as well. So I'll be humble in that sense. But people will say, hey, you should invest in this stock. This is because this is happening. And I think that this is happening with the stock, especially in regards to tech. And I love tech. So, oh gosh, I remember taking advice from someone. I've lost money several times. You kind of have, in that sense, you do have to figure it out. But in my experience, I wish I would have known to take things with a grain of salt. And you don't have to just listen to what everyone says. It's okay to listen to them, especially if they may know more than what you do, but do your research as well, of course. So, second thing, I guess, as far as social media, the great thing, which is what has boosted my trading, I found a lot of professional traders through social media, of course, now, and this time, 2021, and even I've met a lot of professional traders in the year of 2020 via Twitter or through Twitter. And I have found a lot of professional traders that trade like me, and I've learned from what they do, and even some things that I don't agree with. It's nice to see a point of a different side of how they trade and how they make their living. So I like that. So a good thing, of course, you can find a lot of good information on other traders, and then there are some people that are just rude, and everyone wants to know it all. Everyone wants to be right, especially when it comes to trading the stock market. It's almost to the point of intoxication, and it's annoying. I'll just be honest. So, strategy, social media. Last thing I wish I knew before I started trading. Wow, consistency and time. No one talks about this. Real trading takes time, especially when you have a strategy down that works for you. Sometimes it takes waiting, and the market is not, nothing goes up forever. Nothing goes, well, some things go down forever. But you'll have pullbacks, and pullbacks as in the price will go up, let's say, and it goes back down. It pulls back to retest at a support level or resistance in the opposite sense. But it takes time. So sometimes it's great to wait for a setup if you feel like maybe you're trading in a channel pattern. If you know what that is, you can look that up. If you don't know what it is, you can look it up. But a channel pattern, maybe you can wait for your right entry point, or maybe if you're doing something in a shorter time frame, you just need to wait for your entry point, and I'm waiting for your points to get in, and that the key word is waiting. So I've learned a lot about that, and from social media, the great people I've found who have helped me in my trading experience, they've taught me more about that. I wish someone would have told me that. And again, let time be your friend. I'll be honest, just saying that sounds awful to me. Let time be your friend. What? But you have to let time be your friend. You have to let time be your friend and wait for some setups. And sometimes even going for the setup, you have to learn, and learning from your mistakes. So again, I hope that's helped you. Those are my 3 points: strategies, social media, consistency. Those are things I wish I would have known better. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and just comment below. If you liked this video, like it, please. And if you like it a lot, then subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. But again, my ultimate goal is to help you. If I could help you jumpstart years ahead from where I was, that would mean the world to me. So again, comment below if you liked it, and I appreciate it. And I thank you all for your comments and for subscribing. I appreciate the support, and I will talk to you all soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.